So this is why you call me here.
Shadow the Hedgehog! Hey everybody, look! Shadow's here! Let me get you a chair, Mr. Shadow.
I prefer to stand.
Of course. You rogue, you. I like standing too. Everyone on your feet. Maybe zap that bad boy back to me? No? He piffed it. We'll count that. Great job, Shadow.
Silence, fool. I've suffered your presence long enough.
No, don't go. We're not done bonding yet. We were gonna roast wieners and play flashlight tag. We're making history here. A collection of villains like this has never been assembled before.
I see no villains. Just some fools whose only ability is wasting time.
That's something, isn't it?
No, not really.
Call off your goons or I'll smash you into next week.
I'm busy next week. I mean, I could reschedule, but
Pathetic. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
It's happening. Shadow has joined Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here. Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one. Oh, that just missed you. Allow me to. Okay, just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
Hey, we worked all day on that!
Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind. And for that, you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!
You fool! I hit him just where I wanted him!
Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. Forgot to turn off the flash. Pink looks great, though, if it's any consolation.
We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time, on my terms.